Coming up, let's hear about the future of retail at Digital Signage Expo 2014. Please welcome Platt Retail Institute Director Global Marketing and Communications, Margot Myers.
You're watching YBL TV.
Margot, you've been coming now here to the DSE for 11 years. What are some of the emerging trends that you're seeing in digital signage today?
Well, I think some of the biggest things that are happening are the variety of devices that are being used now. So, in the first digital signage show in 2004, it was a screen connected to some sort of a computer, a PC. Now, everything from this little screen that you're wearing on your dress to a 105-inch curved HD TV, all of those are screens, but so is your mobile phone, so is a tablet. There is a whole range of devices that are digital screens that you can use to communicate with customers or guests or visitors or whatever.
So converged platforms then are a big challenge for retailers, store owners.
Well, we talk a lot about omni-channel marketing, and it's sort of a buzzword in the industry these days, but the whole notion is that customers, because they have so much access to technology and they're so much more comfortable with it these days, expect to have that consistent, reliable experience no matter where they choose to do business with the retailer. So whether it's on a website, whether it's on a mobile app, whether it's in the store, they expect the messaging to be consistent, they expect the pricing, the product selection. All those platforms have to be managed in a way that yields that consistency for the customer.
Let's talk about future retail formats. What are we looking at in the future for the industry?
Well, we have some sort of off the top of the head ideas about what retail might hold in the future. I don't have a crystal ball, but one of the things that we talk about in our Future of Retail research article is the idea of drive-through pickup stores. So where you might order something online, and instead of having it delivered to your home, you set a time, and at that appointed hour you drive through and they put whatever the items are in the trunk of your car, and off you go. So you can have sort of that instant gratification, but you're still shopping online. That's one idea. I think we'll also see stores that have smaller footprints, fewer SKUs, so less products actually in the store, but we'll use technology to offer customers a wide range of products, which they can either have delivered to the store, delivered to their homes, or maybe pick up in a drive-through lane.
Brand stores might be a new thing of the future as well.
Well, I think there is an opportunity for some brands to build their essence for the customer, to make the customer as aware of who they are, what they stand for, and where they fit into the retail ecosystem as much as they are selling product. So when you have brands that are very involved in environmental issues, in charitable concerns, and that kind of thing, part of what they want to do is help their customers understand who they are, what they stand for. And so brand stores will as much be about that, what the brand stands for and what value the brand brings, as it will be about exactly what the products are that they're offering to their customers.
How about the customer interface technology? Any of the facial recognition, what's going to go on with that, do you think?
Well, I think there are going to be a lot of experiments with different ways that retailers can use biometrics, whether it's facial recognition technology, whether it's some sort of a connection via Bluetooth with your phone, that they will know more about you, what your preferences are, when was the last time you were in the store, what did you buy the last time you were there, and it all leads to this notion of customization and personalization. So the more they know about you, the more they can offer you products, offer you information that is likely to be of greatest interest to you.
What do you think then are the biggest challenges that are facing retailers today?
I think the biggest challenge is that nobody has a crystal ball. Nobody knows what the magic bullet is that is going to really change retail 5 years from now, 10 years from now. The technology is developing so rapidly, the pace of change is so fast now that being able to plan for that future is really difficult for retailers. So you have to be very flexible, you have to be very nimble, you have to have planning cycles that are a lot shorter than they might have been in the past so that you can adapt as technology changes.
Margot Myers, thank you so much for your time.